Fix in 5. P0447. EVAP vent control circuit open. ECM detects no return signal from purge. If your scanner threw this, here's exactly what's going on and what to do. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL, illuminated, fuel odor during refueling or when parked, possible cold start difficulty, slight reduction in negative pressure in fuel tank, unstable fuel pressure in direct injection systems. Now the most likely causes. EVAP purge valve stuck or faulty, most common cause. Electrical circuit interruption, loose connector. Corroded wires. Blockage in purge line from activated charcoal canister to intake manifold. EVAP control module or ECM circuit problem. Here's how a pro pins it down. Repair or replace damaged wiring or connectors at the vent. Replace faulty EVAP vent control solenoid if proven defect. Clean and seal connectors to prevent future water ingress. Replace any blown fuse or repair open circuit as found. If ground corrosion is present, clean and reattach ground. In very rare cases, replace the ECM/PCM if an internal SAR. How to fix it. Clean or replace EVAP purge valve if stuck by carbon buildup. Repair electrical circuit, replace connector. Corroded wires. Or faulty solder joints. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. What does it cost? Roughly 45 to 110 euros doing it yourself, or 125 to 190 euros at a workshop. Rates vary by country. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0447? The cost to fix P0447 generally ranges from 80 euros to 500 euros, depending on the specific fault, your vehicle's make/model, and local labor rates. A diagnostic scan at a shop will help identify the exact cause. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Gets cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0447. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.